In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Kucoin app to trade cryptocurrency on your smartphone. If you're diving into the world of crypto and want to make the most of your trading experience, understanding how to use the Kucoin app is essential. The process is straightforward, and in just 5 minutes, you'll be trading like a pro. First, you'll need to visit the Kucoin website. Think of this as your first step into the expansive realm of cryptocurrency trading. Head over to your web browser, type in Kucoin, and click on their official site. This is where your journey begins. Once you're on the Kucoin homepage, look for the Login button. It's typically positioned in the top right corner of the page. Click this button to prompt the login process. If you're already a user, simply input your credentials. For newcomers, follow the prompts to create a new account. A crucial first step to trading. Now, with your account set up, you'll find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, even for beginners. This landing space is where you can explore various features Kucoin offers, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Next, locate the download icon on the homepage. This icon is your gateway to downloading the Kucoin app directly to your phone. It's commonly represented by a small arrow pointing downward. Clicking on it will take you to a section dedicated to app downloads. To install the app conveniently on your smartphone, opt for the QR code method. You might find this option especially useful if you're on the go. Just click on the Scan QR code to download app option. You'll need a QR code scanner on your phone. Simply point it at the code displayed on your screen, and voila! Your phone will start downloading the Kucoin app. Having the app on your smartphone not only means you can trade anywhere, anytime, but it also lets you stay updated with real-time market data, track price changes, and make quick decisions. Moreover, through the app, you have easy access to a plethora of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your investments with ease. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you're set up to explore cryptocurrency trading on Kucoin via your smartphone. It's all about making use of the available tools and information to enhance your trading experience. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, the Kucoin app streamlines your crypto activities, placing powerful technology right at your fingertips. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency moves quickly, so having instant access via the app will give you an edge in this dynamic market.